This is angle grinder, small one. So it's not working. It refuses to bring light. So let's test this and check if it is working. As you can see, it is not working. So let's check what is wrong with it. Got the connection. So first of all, check the brush. The brush is still there. Put back the brush. Let's check the right side of the brush. This one is running small, but it will still work. Put it back. So let's check the wire. This is blue to blue. It's working. So the wire is good. Let's check the switch. The switch is working. So everything is working. The switch is working. The regulator is working. The wire is good. So let's check this brush again. This brush connection. It is not working. As you can see, it doesn't bring light. That means the two brushes are not connected. So you're gonna remove the brush and replace it. Change the brush and check if it will work. This is another brush. I'm gonna put this one and check it again whether it will work. First of all, sandpaper here. Depending on this gap, as you can see, this one is okay. but the down key can hold it not to work. You have to sandpaper here. It is now okay. Remove this. It will stop it from flowing. Sandpaper here a bit. Bring the height down so that it will close. The spring, then put the cover. The second side. Remove this. Okay. Let's check it to green light. As you can see, it is now working. The two brushes are now connected. So couple it back and check it with light. Make sure you set the wires properly. So let's test it again. As you can see, it is now working perfectly. So please follow my page, like my video, share, comment, and keep tuned. So thank you for watching. Nonetheless.